What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff. Disney stock has been on a tear over the past few days. And as a matter of fact, it actually started here on Friday when Disney pretty much made a straight jump from $115 all the way up to $130. And since that time, guys, Disney has gotten nice gradual gains for the remainder of Friday, and then also took a 1.2% gain again today. And of course, analysts have come out and rated Disney as a must-own stock. So in this video, what I'm going to talk about is where do I see Disney trading at in 1 year from today. Guys, I will have that pinned down in the comments section, and I would love to hear your opinion on it as well. Go down in the comments, tell me where do you think Disney will be trading at in 1 year from today. Now, just keep in mind, anytime a company runs up $15 or $20 a share, basically just on analyst ratings or upgrades, guys, you can anticipate the stock price to fall back a little bit when they get close to earnings. If Disney does not really have the earnings to justify the $132 share price, then it's very possible that you can see the stock pull back. We're going to get into that more in here in just a minute. And something else I've noticed too, it does seem there is a new trend starting to form, and that is when positive news comes out for Disney, you can kind of also consider that negative news for Netflix, okay? We've seen this on Friday. I remember seeing it a couple of times before. The real benefit there, guys, is for short-term trading and day trading. So it was announced on Friday that Disney's new streaming package, Disney Plus, will be available in November, and it's going to start at $6.99 a month. So first off, let's take note of the strategic move here. Disney is going to be offering their streaming package for $7, and of course Netflix standard plan is $12.99. So I think you're going to be getting a lot higher quality of content at a better price. And I'm sure as time goes on, Disney is going to have to raise the price of their streaming package. But of course, on the announcement of this news, that is when you've seen Disney stock run up over $15, and it's continuing to move. And you've also seen kind of a slow in Netflix, okay? And there's also another option where you can pay $69.99 every year instead of the $6.99 a month, and that'll work up to $5.83 monthly. If I'm Reed Hastings and I'm the executives at Netflix, I'm kind of shaking in my boots right now because the content on this Disney streaming package is going to be really, really good. I can already tell you, me and my family will probably be one of the first to get it, and I will likely have it the first day it's available. In 2018, Disney movies grossed more than $7 billion, selling 900 million tickets globally, and they believe that demand will translate very well to the streaming package. Of course, Disney is very confident that consumers are going to love the service. And in case any of you were wondering, Disney Plus will be an ad-free service supported solely by subscription fees, okay? It's going to have a wide platform footprint spanning the web, game consoles, smart TVs, and it's going to be connected with many different streaming devices, including Roku and the PlayStation 4. Now, this is going to include content from Disney itself, Marvel, Pixar, Star Wars, and National Geographic, and it'll also grate the programming from Fox, like all 30 seasons of The Simpsons, The Sound of Music, The Princess Bride, Malcolm in the Middle, and of course, all of Disney's theatrical released movies will be available on the streaming service, and that starts with Captain Marvel at launch, and of course the rest of the slate here at 2019. Frozen 2, for example, that will be streamable on the service next summer after its theatrical release. And of course, you're going to get the library of all the movies of Pixar, Star Wars, the Signature Series, the Disney Vault. So pretty much anything and everything Disney is going to be on this service. And so this is interesting, guys. This is what I was talking about just a moment ago, and I wonder if this trend is going to be consistent. I have the 5-day chart pulled up on Disney and Netflix. Disney in the blue, Netflix in the red. And as you can see back here on the 8th of April, Netflix and Disney were actually trending pretty closely together, and they were almost mirroring each other's movement until the news came out of the Disney streaming service right here at open on the 12th, and that's when Disney stock spiked up 12.9%, and then conversely Netflix stock dropped over 3%, and then continued to drop over the next 2 days and is down 3.7% on the week, while Disney stock is up 14.8%. So that is definitely a trend that I want to keep a close eye on, and I think you could take advantage of some day trading or swing trading opportunities with this knowledge. And so right here, guys, if you look, this is tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and at close, Netflix is going to be reporting earnings. And so we can have a good look to see if their subscriber numbers are growing. Like I said, Disney's package does not come out till November, so we can't really price that into the stock until that happens. That's why I feel like perhaps maybe Disney is a little bit ahead of itself. This is a stock over the past couple years that does not move very fast. It does hold its value very, very well. It's a component of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, but it is not an explosive stock on either side of the coin, okay? And of course, Disney's earnings announcement is expected to be on the 8th of May. So we still have a couple more weeks before we'll be able to see what kind of numbers Disney is putting out. And of course, guys, we will not see any of their streaming numbers. We will really not even get a peek at what kind of subscription numbers Disney is going to have till Q1 of 2020, okay? So in about 8 to 10 months, that's when we can start to see just exactly what kind of revenue Disney is going to be getting from streaming. And that is also why I believe the stock is a buy now. And I've been buying shares of Disney in my M1 Finance portfolio for over a year and a half now. I have not seen a lot of growth out of that position. I think I'm up about 14% overall on the position, but between now and then, I think that's when you will see a real move in the stock. And I don't think $200 a share is out of the question at all. Disney could probably go a lot higher than that over time. And lastly, guys, I want to share this with you real quick. Pretty much all the coverage on Disney stock is very positive right now. As you can see, 3 different companies have come out just in the month of April and upgraded Disney stock. BTGI Research upgraded them from a sell to neutral. BMO Capital Market upgraded Disney from market perform to outperform. And then Cohen & Company upgraded them from market perform to also to outperform. Rosenblatt initiated coverage at buy, and in October and November of 2018, they also received upgrades. So I think you should have been collecting shares of Disney stock all along, but we still have about 8 to 10 months before we will even see their streaming numbers coming in on an earnings report, and I think Disney is one of the strongest buys on the market right now. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go down in the comment section. I'm going to tell you where I think Disney will be trading at in 1 year from today. Thank you as always for watching, and have a great day.